Episode 7. This week, Monday, we're going to be doing the ISTEP review packet, iPad videos in class. Tuesday, we are working on completing the packet. Wednesday, the first half of class, the packet will be completed and turned in. And then we will have a quiz afterwards. On Thursday, we're going to have a Socratic seminar. And on Friday, no school, spring break. Now, for the 6th grade, you will be completing this first packet, an ISTEP 6th grade practice test. You will have a number line. You will have fractions. Remember how to do fractions from percents to decimals and decimals to percents, and in addition to fractions, what a proportion is. Now remember, when you get to number 4, I equals PRT. I is your interest, P is your principal, the money that goes in, R is the percentage or rate, and T is time in years. Use this formula to complete number 4. Now, number 5, several of you have been asking me to teach this, so I'm going to show this to you. Complement and supplement. Complement, when you have a 90-degree angle, a right angle, anything that is divided in there, if we know this is 40 degrees, its complement will be what is remaining. Now, I like to say it with the letter L that looks like, which is a complement. I like your shirt. I like. So, you have an L right here. The complement would be 90 minus 40. So, the complement of this 40-degree angle is 50 degrees. Supplement is for a straight line, which is 180 degrees. You have a straight line. So therefore, if you have an angle that is 40 degrees, what is its supplement? We do not know this value. So you take 180 degrees minus 40 degrees, and your answer is the supplement of this angle is 140 degrees. Now, you will complete number 5 using what I just taught you. Number 6, you will have to figure out as far as different units of measure. You will have to know your proportions. And remember, mean, median, mode, and range. You will have temperature. Do not forget, you are dealing with integer values. You will get to a trapezoid. You will need to know the formula. Look on the ISTEP reference sheet. You will need to know order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Translation, make sure you know to slide the object. Fahrenheit, you will need to know Fahrenheit and Celsius. You will need to know absolute value. Multiplying, you will in addition need to know the frequency chart, being able to calculate how many times does the number 1 through 5 occur, 14. You will have angles, and once again you'll have the intersect, complement, and supplement angles. Remember, when you're dividing fractions, you are doing same change flip. You also have, in addition, volume. Make sure you look at your ISTEP reference sheet. When you have volume, you want to be able to substitute in the amounts. Probability, a rectangular lot with the corrections. You will also have to create a plot, stem and leaf we went over. You will also have probability, more temperature, make sure you're putting it in. A frequency table you will have to complete in class, outlining how many times something occurs. You will have a graph you will create, an isosceles triangle. Remember, both sides, two sides are exactly the same for an isosceles triangle. You will have to create a view of the different cubes, being able to know that. And you will have to also know as far as probability and be able to explain a story problem. Other than that, I hope you have a good day, and I will see you on Monday. Thank you.